And you're looking at it's a Class B property in a Class
Mhm.
A location with amenities, pool, laundry rooms, clubhouses, grilling area. So it's pretty highly amenitized as well. So that helps with the cap rate.
And Teresa actually owned a property in this area, so she is very familiar with this area. I did not state that, and I should have stated that. And Teresa is very close, and so is Tim, and so is Justin. So a lot of us are very close to this area. So if there's any need for us to be there, we can be there in less than a few hours. Good questions, though. Thank you. Man, I did a good job. Come on, guys.
I had a question today by a potential investor on a call. Maybe I'll ask his question if
Yeah,
that's okay.
it's great.
So he was asking about our um, guarantees of our integration and how we are going to be overseeing the management company and the construction company. He's probably coming more from a tainted background of having a third party spike prices, right? So
Absolutely. So that is a great question and something I didn't bring up. So I love that you asked that question, right? Because we're vertically integrated. So how my answer to that is we own them.